Dear students, now we are going to do some questions from exercise 1.3 sets. And before starting some questions, we do first power set. What is power set? So the collection of subsets of a set is called the power set of A. It is denoted by P. So what is the collection of all subsets? So let's know here. Suppose we are consider a set A equal to 1, 2. So how many subsets are possible from this set? And collection of all subsets is known as power sets. So subsets of A equal to, you know this thing, phi is the subsets of all the sets. Earlier we have studied about that. पाई सबै को सबसेट हो तो एउटा 5 भयो, 1 2 में एउटा 1 इसको सबसेट भयो, 2 is also subset. Subset means sub means part. इस सेट्स का पार्ट है, some parts, 1 2 and also 1 2. So how many subsets are? That is total is 1 2 3 4. Total is 4. For other example, suppose any set B is A, B and C. So how many subsets of this? Subsets of B, phi is the subsets of all the sets. Phi A ले लिया, B is also subset, C, AB, BC and also AC and ABC. ABC is also subset of itself. So A, B and C. So how many subsets here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is total 8 subsets. So it is the total number of subsets is 8. So in these cases, these are subsets and collection of the all subsets is known as power sets and denoted by P. So in the first example, power set is outright collection of all subsets like this. First is phi, second is 1, then 2, then 1 2 and again we close in the curly bracket. इसके भीतर सबको लिखेंगे. So these are the 4 and here power subset PA, power set is denoted by PA. P means power. How many here? We will write the collection of like this. curly bracket के भीतर लिखेंगे A, B, C, AB, BC, AC and ABC, A, B and C. So all collection of all the subsets is known as power set. And one formula is here to check like this. Number of elements, how to check? Number of elements like this P A equal to how many number of elements here? 8. So we will write here 2 to the power n, where n is number of elements in the set. In the set, here also number of elements we can write 2 to the power n. That means here number of elements are 2, so 2 power 2 is written as 4, so it is checked. 4 पाउंड है यहाँ. Here 2 to the power n equal to n means number of, if we have to ask to check directly how many number of elements in a power set, so we can write like this: n pa equal to 2 power n. What is the n? N is the number of elements in the set, and here in the set B, sorry, it is B, not A, it is B, and number of elements are 1 2 3, so 2 power 3 becomes 2 into 2 into 8, so number of elements are 8. So it is the power subset. Collection of all the subsets is known as power set. Now see next, universal set. What is meaning of universal set? Definition is a set which contains elements of all sets in a given context is called the universal set. It is usually denoted by U, capital U, and all its subsets by the letters A, B, C. For example, यूनिवर्सल का मतलब क्या होता है? यूनिवर्सल बने क्यों? एवरीवेयर यूनिवर्सल. लाइक इन मैथमेटिक्स, मैथमेटिकली हाउ टू डिफाइन दिस? सपोज यूनिवर्सल सेट इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and here A is 2 4 6, B is 1 3 5, C is 8 9 10. So A, elements of A, due to definition, a set which contains elements of all sets in a given context is called universal set. All sets in a given context is called the universal set. So here just see this. A must be subset of U. A का एलिमेंट 2 4 6 2 4 6 अवेलेबल हियर. B is 1 3 5 1 3 5. C is also 8 9 10. So all elements of A, B and C must be lie in universal set, so we can say it is the universal set, and all things must be in the this main set, that is we are saying here universal set. Other example, one set is B equal to A E I O U. It is U. If one set is C equal to AI, set D is IU. So all elements of C belongs to here. C का सब एलिमेंट यहाँ छ, D को पनि एलिमेंट छ, त्यसै हामी के भन्छ? It is the universal set because all the elements of these two sets belongs to universal set. So these are the examples of the universal set. Question number 4 is write down all the subsets of the following sets. So I am taking these two, remaining 3rd and 4 you can do for the practice. So number 1 is solution subsets of A. So we know this thing, phi is the subset of itself. Phi सबै हुन्छ, phi हुन्छ, एउटा के हुन्छ A. So it is answer only two subsets of the A. Number 2 is subsets of AB equal to, first is phi, second is A, third is B, and also AB. AB is the subset of itself. So 1 2 3 4, there are 4 subsets of the AB. Now next question, Now see the question 5 is how many elements has PA if A is equal to 5? PA, it is power set. P means power set. So how many elements has? The first we check here number of elements. Number of elements in the set. 5 means actually 5 are this empty set, 0 elements. 5 means their empty set, there is not any elements. So number of elements in the set is equal to 0. So by the formula we can write n, otherwise first we write subsets of A equal to 5, because 5 is the subset of itself. That is how many? 1. And by the formula how to write this? N P is equal to number of elements in power set equal to 2 power n. And what is n here? N is equal to number of elements is 0. So 2 power 0 equal to 1. So it is the answer. Number of elements actually not number of elements is 0, and subsets of A is equal to 5 empty set, that means 5 is the subset of itself. And to find the power set निकाल्नु को लागि फर्मुला के साथ 2 power n means number of elements in the set. n is 0, 2 power 0 into 1. और जैसे subset of A count गर्दा पनि एउटै set छ, by the formula also we are getting 1. So it is the power set. Now next number 6. Now see the question number 6. Write the following as intervals. X such that x belongs to R, minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. So we use here open interval in, just I will remind you, it is number line 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. For example, if I am writing 1 and 4, it is open interval. So how to write this? X in the open interval we cannot count this one. 1 4 को 20 को नंबर 1 is less than x, इसका मतलब क्या होगा? x is greater than 1. 1 से नंबर बड़ा होगा, 4 से छोटा होगा. 1 4 के बीच में we cannot take 1 and 4. We cannot take 1 and 4. We write only 2 and 3. So it is the open interval. And close interval, if you are taking a close interval 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I am writing like this 1 and 4, it is symbol of close interval. We are taking also end points. 1 to 4, 1 and 4 close interval means we are taking also 1 and 4. So numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how to write? X such that x less than or equal to 4, and also here this 1. 1 से लेकर 4 तक included 1 and 4 also. So it is the closed interval. So how to write this? Here there is no equal sign here, so it becomes open interval sign. Minus 4 is 6, and also less than 6 and equal to 6, that means 6. It is open, it is closed interval. And here not equal, here only this value open interval minus 12 and this minus 10. So we will exclude this minus 12 or minus 10 count hundena, because it is the open interval. So it was the solution of part first and second. Now see the question number 7. Write intervals in set builder form. We have to write in set builder form. It is open interval and it is closed. Just we have done this question number 6. So how to write this? It is open interval, that means we cannot count this. So x such that x belongs to R, real number, x belongs to x belongs to R and the value goes from -3 less than x less than 0, we will write like this because we cannot count this -3 and 0. It is the open interval. Now number second answer, x says that x belongs to R and value of x, it is closed interval, that means -6 less than or equal to it is, sorry, it is not -6, 6 to 12, less equal for the closed interval, only less it is open interval. So it is the solution of question number 7. Question number 8 is, what universal set would you propose for each? Number 1 is the set of right triangles. Number 2 is set of isosceles triangles. What universal set would you propose? Universal set denoted by capital U. यूनिवर्सल सेट का मतलब क्या है? जो ये सेट होगा इसके भीतर होना चाहिए. द सेट ऑफ राइट ट्राइंगल्स, देन हाउ टू राइट? x such that x is a triangle in a plane. Set of right triangle, because universal set का मतलब क्या है? Each and every types of triangles are given, like universal set. Here isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, right triangle, equilateral triangle, all types of triangles in a plane, that is universal set. From this universal set we can choose right triangle, we can choose isosceles triangle, so it is the universal set. And just answer of the second is the set of isosceles triangle, because in the universal set all types of triangles are given, and from this universal set we can choose set of isosceles triangles. So universal set written as x such that x is a triangle in a plane. So it is the answer of the first and second both. So students, now see the question number 9 is, given the sets A is given 1 3 5, B is 2 4 6, C is 0 2 4 6 8, which of the following may be considered as universal set for all threes A, B and C? The number 1 is, it may be universal set or not. Universal set होनु सक्छ कि सक्दैन? So for the universal set, what is the criteria? Set A, element of set A, B and C, all elements must be in this set, so we can say it is the universal set. So here 0 1 2 3 4 5 0 0 1 2 3 also here, 4 also, 5 also here, 6 may be repeated, repeat हुनु सक्छ, तर सबै एलिमेन्ट हुनु पर्यो. यो हुनु सक्दैन, because in the set C one extra element is 8 and 8 is not in this set, so we can say it is not universal set. A को एलिमेंट जम्मै इसमें छ 1 3 5, B को पनि छ 2 4 6, C को पनि छ 0 2 4 6, तर 8 छैन. 8 is not here, so it cannot be say universal set, so it is not the universal set. Number second is phi. This phi भनेको त के हो? phi भनेको empty set. यसमें एउटै पनि एलिमेन्ट छैन, यसको जम्मै एलिमेन्ट यसमा हुनुपर्छ. त क्लियरली हियर it is not universal set. सब एलिमेन्ट हुनु पर्ने, there is not an element. Number 3 is 0 to 10. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Here we will check elements of A 1 3 5, 1 3 5, B 2 4 6, B को पनि 2 4 6. अच्छा, C को 0 2 4 6 8, 0 2 4 6 8. all elements here, so it is universal set. It is universal set. Number 4 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here also check here, elements of a 1 3 5 elements of B 2 4 6 and elements of C 0 0 0 is not here. 2 4 6 is here, but there is no 0 here, so it is not the universal set. So these are the solutions of question number 9.